I have got to get my hands on a Krabby Patty, and no one's gonna stop me! There it is. Holy shrimp! I don't know where to start. But all that matters is that it's just you and me and nobody.
Squidward? Is that you?
What are you doing here?
I always come to work at 3 a.m. This is when I count the sesame seeds. What are you doing here?
I forgot my,
And why is the patty vault open?
Oh, I thought that,
And why are you holding a patty behind your back?
No, I didn't do...
And why are you acting so nervous? And why are you sweating so much? And why do you look so hungry? And...
No, wait, it's not what you think. This is a big misunderstanding. You've got to believe me. Listen, I am telling you, you better listen to me, SpongeBob.
You like Krabby Patties, don't you, Squidward?
Yes! Yes! I admit it, SpongeBob! I love Krabby Patties!
I knew it all along, Squidward. No one can resist a Krabby Patty. Squidward, how many are you eating? Squidward! Squidward, you can't eat all those patties at one time! Squidward!
What's gonna happen? Am I gonna blow up?
No, worse! It'll go right to your thighs!
My thighs?
And then you'll blow up!
Yeah, I remember my first Krabby Patty.